Hi kids! Look what we have now. It's a puzzle. Can you help me put the animals in the right place? Let's start. This is a giraffe. Let's find where is the shape of giraffe. Is it this one? No. Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh. No. Yes. Now let's try to put it on. Good job! We did it! Next is the monkey. Let's find where is the monkey. Is it this one? Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh. Yes, it's the monkey. Let's try to put it on. Yes, we did it. This is a tiger. Let's find where is it. No. Uh-oh. No. Yes, it's the tiger. Let's try to put it on. We did it. Next is a toucan. Let's find where is it. Yes, this is a toucan. Let's try to put it on. And we did it. Next is a turtle. Where is the turtle now? Is it this one? Yes, it's the turtle. And the last one is the hippopotamus. And this is the hippopotamus. And we did it. So, let's do a recap. This is a giraffe, a monkey, a toucan, a turtle, a tiger, and a hippopotamus.